talk about Drake. Let me tell you about my best friend. Talk about Drake. Let me tell you we friends to the end. Drake the dog. It's Drake the dog. Drake the dog. It's Drake the dog. It's Drake the dog.
Draco, what's on the agenda today, Draco? You ain't gonna bust it. It's Drake the dog. It's Drake the dog. And it looks like a frog. Drake. So they want to see more Drake. Hold on, Drake. Drake, what's wrong? Why you trying to beat me up? I ain't did nothing to you. It's Drake. You ain't gonna whoop nothing. Why you think you so tough? You can't beat nobody. We go by the big dogs, you be jumping out like you gonna beat one of them big old dogs. You can't beat nothing, Drake. You can't beat nothing. You got the little dog complex. You got the little dog complex. You got the little dog complex. You're gonna fall down the stairs. It's Drake. Oh man. Old man Scotty. Oh man. What's on the agenda today? What we doing today? Hey man, you see the mess you got made over here? I'm gonna make you clean this stuff up. Drake, what's on the agenda today? What you got planned for the day? Huh? What you got planned for the day, Drake? What you gonna do? Huh? Who you think you gonna whoop? You can't beat nobody, man. You think you run the house. Now I want you to get over there and clean up that mess you made right now. What you gonna do? You ain't tough, man. You think you can beat everybody. I told you about running up on them big dogs. Drake, you can beat anybody, huh? Drake, you'll take out anybody, huh? Don't take out me, I ain't do it. You ain't gonna beat nobody. You ain't, Drake, you gonna go outside? Man, no way. Hey, you a killer dog. You ain't a pit bull, man. Stop it. You ain't a pit bull. Why you wanna bite me? I didn't do that wrong to you, man. Hey, I'm gonna throw you out the door. Hey, y'all see how Drake acting? Drake is a mean little dog. Drake, they wanna know why you so mean, man. Drake, they wanna know why you so mean. They wanna know why you so mean, Drake. Good boy. You gonna bite me? You gonna bite me? Nigga, I'll beat your ass. I'll beat your butt. Drake, you gonna go outside? Come on. Drake, we gotta clean up in here, man. Yeah, I'll let you go out for a few minutes while it ain't raining. Bye. My dog is crazy. My dog is crazy. Let me let him back in the door, y'all. He retarded. Asked to go outside. Stand here at the door. Come on. It's a time dealing with Drake, y'all. Drake is crazy. Drake, they say what you got going on today? Don't run from me. Nigga, don't run from me. Look, don't run from me. Don't you run from me. I asked you a question. Where are you going today? Let me hold something. Go get a couple dollars from me. And get some money from you. You got it for me? Let me hold something. I don't want that. Give me some money, man. Do you have any money to let me hold? I need to borrow a couple dollars, man. Don't look at me like that. You give me the same look every time I ask you for a couple dollars. All right. You're a dirty dog, man. You're a dirty dog. Can I hold some money? You ain't tough. You ain't tough. There you go whoop. You can't whoop nobody, man. So I keep telling you this stuff. You can't beat up nobody. You little. You're a little dog. You got the little dog complex. You think you can beat everybody. Drake, say hello to the people. Say hi, my name is Draco. Old man, say hello to the people. Whistle now. What you gonna do, Drake? Drake, let me hold something, man. Drake, let me get a couple dollars. Now y'all watching a minute, you finna start doing some spins and shit. I don't know why these Frenchies do that. And they be doing them on spins. Drake, spin around for me. Show them how you go crazy. Every other minute on the goddamn hour. Good boy. Good boy. Y'all right, Draco? Let me tell you about my best friend. My best friend. Let me tell you about my best friend. It's Draco. Old man Draco. Drake, you're a young old man. Your mouth tucked in like that. Get your mouth out, man. You bit your lip again? Let me tell you about my best friend. Let me see. Man, your lip looks swole, boy. You get into all type of shit. I don't know the hell you be out there back there. It probably you biting on it. Your lip swole. Your mama wanna let me get your lip fixed. I want you to tell her she don't wanna see you in pain. Sometimes you gotta take a little pain, man, to look a little better. Drake, you say, man, Drake, you got all the women, Drake. Drake, you got all the women. All the Frenchies, girl Frenchies want you. All the girl Frenchies want you, Drake. Oh. Yeah, they want me, man. You know they do. I'm Draco. Get him, Drake. Drake, get him. Get him. Not him. Him. Get him. GMAN. Yeah, get him. Not the TV. Get him. Oh, man.
Prepare for your future with Full National University.
Robin loves to treat herself, but sometimes she needs extra cash to make it happen. That's why she uses the Vinted app to sell the clothes she doesn't wear anymore. And with no selling fees, every dollar is spent to keep. Vinted's been magical that way. Girl, are you ready for your pedicure? Find extra money in your closet.
We at the movies. Snap. machine over here. It's empty though. You ready to eat? Drink up. Drink. You ready to eat? Time for official food. You don't want your food? Y'all, look how he act when I get ready to take her for a walk. Look how he act, y'all. He go crazy. You gonna let me put your collar on? You ain't gonna let me put it on you? Let me put it on you. You can go outside and go for a walk. Wanna go outside? Huh? Go outside? Let me put it on you. Come on, come out. Let me put it on you. You gotta let me put it on you if you wanna go outside. Stop acting crazy. Calm down. Calm down. Y'all see how the idiot act when you about to take him for a walk? See how he act, y'all? You wanna eat the damn corn. What is wrong with you, man? Calm down, man. You can't eat the corn. Boy, I tell you, I ain't never seen a dog this damn crazy in my life. You ready to go now? You ready to walk now? You done chewed up the quarter now. Let's go. Look at this idiot dog. You gotta mess with everybody. Out here with old Draco, y'all. Let me get his run in. There he went. He hiding behind the tree, y'all. Draco! Draco! He don't pay me no attention when he out here. He like to run. Climb up that thing right there, Drake. Show him you can climb. You a nasty motherfucker. Look at him, y'all. He's so nasty. Yeah. I don't know who they think gonna pick that up. It ain't gonna be me. I ain't gonna pick it up. I thought he was gonna climb up. You scared to climb up, Drake? God dang, Drake. 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 Draco. They want to see you climb up that thing. Drake. Yeah, Drake. Look, Drake. They want to see you climb up the thing, man. Drake. They say climb up that thing right there. You ain't gonna do it? Look, y'all, he don't pay me no attention. He love this little dog park. Drake. Draco. You know you hear me talking to you. See how fast you can. Drake the dog. Drake the dog.
Let me tell you about my best friend. My best friend. My best friend. Good old Draco. Drake. What's up, Drake? Drake. You gonna climb up that? Let me see you do it. Drake, you don't want to do no tricks. You don't never want to do tricks. Do a trick for the people. Let them see you climb up there, man. Drake, you don't do a trick for the people? I be telling them you can do all type of tricks. He just won't do nothing, but y'all see, when y'all looking, he ain't gonna do nothing. He'll do a backflip if y'all want to look. He know I'm watching him. This dog, hey, he go in my kitchen and make food when I ain't looking. I be smelling it when I wake up. I know he was cooking, cause wasn't nobody down there, downstairs by the kitchen but you, Drake. I know it was you. Drake. Here, Drake. Here you go, Drake. Stop licking that gate, man, before you catch corona. You don't catch corona. Drake, there's some people up there got their Halloween stuff up already. Drake, what you want to be for Halloween, man? The dog don't pay me no attention. Drake, what you want to be for Halloween? What you gonna be for Halloween, man? Draco. Draco. Drake, where you going? Draco. Where you running to? Where you running to? You ready to go? Drake. Hey, boy. Come here, Drake. Forget you then. I ain't trying to hook your collar back up and take you home. I just want to holler at you for a minute. I don't know what he doing. Slobbing. Man, you slobbing like you own something, man. You slobbing like you own something, Drake. Drake, they say you slobbing like you own something. Come here, Drake. Come here, Drake. They know you ain't coming near me because you ain't ready to go. That's the only reason you ain't coming near me. Think I'm gonna hook you up to the collar. Feel kind of breezy out here though. We under these trees. They got trees out here. That's the good thing. It's a little breezy, but man, one thing about Miami sun, boy, you can't escape it. I don't care what kind of tree you're under. Might give you a little wind, but it's still hot. Ain't that's right, Drake? Get your face out of there. Man, get your face out of there. Drake, come on, man, let's go. Come on. Drake, don't sit there and act like you don't hear me, man. What the hell you doing? Come here. Drake, see how you want to play? Let's go, Drake. Come on, come on. Come put your collar on. Drake, come and put your collar on. Here, come on, let's go. Man, you don't bring your ass, boy, you don't come on. Drake, what I just said? What I just said? Huh? Let's go. You do not listen. Come on, let's go. Come on, man. I'm telling you, man, you better start running from me. Drake, you do not listen. Look at him. He think he can whoop everything. He think he can beat everybody. Drake, you can't whoop nobody, man. Come on before it start raining. It look like it's about to rain. Drake. Oh, man, let me get this dog, y'all. He do not listen. Come on, it's finna about to rain, man. Come on, I get rained on. I'm gonna mess you up. Here, Drake. Y'all see how this man keep running from me? Come here, Drake. Drake. Here, Drake. Drake. Here, Drake. Man, let me put your goddamn car on. Come on, let me put your car on. Drake. Got the hands out hanging out the yard over there, man. I thought it was real, y'all. It almost got me. I'm like, dang, hands coming out the ground. Drake, you seen that? Drake made sure he got away from it. Drake made sure he got away from it. How much you gonna drink? You ain't even did nothing. Well, you a lazy dog. Went out in the sun for 2 seconds and drink it like you done. Look at this nigga. Look at him, y'all. Let me take the car out. Still drink. Let me put some more water in it. Let me put some more water. Some fresh Zephyr Hill. More. Move. You want me to pour the water now? Move. Come throwing up. You can't take a nap. When you done? You done? Yes, you do. Go on in your castle. Go on in your castle. See, he know the routine. You ain't eat nothing. Your ass is wrong as hell. You want your food? Yeah, let me let you eat this food. Where we going, Lyric?
Krispy Kreme.
For what? What you getting from Krispy Kreme? I'm getting a wheat donut. We're gonna see if they got. We're gonna see if they got these wheat donuts at Krispy
We're
Kreme.
giving him a wheat donut. It's on the private list. It's on the secret menu.
Now watch our hood.
Look how beautiful it is.
Watch our hood at Krispy Kreme. Don't have no wheat donuts.
Yeah, they don't have wheat donuts. Well, maybe in other states, not in
Put the seatbelt on. They better have some wheat donuts. It's gonna be a wheat problem.
We're still gonna get our donuts.
No, if I don't get my wheat donuts, y'all don't get nothing. Yep.
Don't play on me. Don't do
We eating
nothing.
healthy in this family. Everything all wheat, baby. All wheat. If it ain't wheat, it ain't sweet.
Wow.
If it ain't wheat, it ain't sweet.
Guys, Daddy, tell them what happened to me.
What?
You know, from my teeth and something.
What happened?
So, guys, oh my
Yeah,
God,
my
it's such
son,
a beautiful day today.
It's a sunny day.
Yeah. So, actually, I like it like this, so just keep it like this. I got hurts. I couldn't even eat lunch today. I have to wait until it heals. I can't eat anything.
Your nails scratched your gums.
Yes. It like, I don't even know. I can't even see my gums anymore. I wish I could show y'all, but I can't because it's gonna hurt if I pull it. So I have to use sign language most of the time. Ooh, that's the crackhead song. Anyways,
You calling me a crackhead?
I have
What
to.
this girl crazy? She said,
Where you get that from? Oh yeah, mama showed on top.
you say, who you say you got it from?
Daddy.
Hey, the world we live in, a crackhead is a
Oh, I
crackhead.
should go Krispy Kreme first, huh?
But Daddy, but I have to use my sign language.
Unless you gonna come, you come back.
Because
Yeah, it don't
I
matter.
love
Yeah, go to
chocolate
Krispy Kreme first. You know, they be trying to close.
7 o'clock.
They close at about 7 to 8.
Where you going? It's Friday.
Man, I'm
Oh, there's free donuts on
Last time it
Fridays.
was around this time it
That's
was
when it was
closed.
curfew.
Let me hold the camera, Daddy, because you're the worst holder ever.
Oh.
Let me show you guys. Like, currently I can, hopefully. Who wants to see that? So, like, it's down there. Ow, I cannot, but it hurts so bad, guys. I cannot wait to go now. I'm just the best hole ever. But yeah.
Now watch these.
Watch them.
Now watch these motherfuckers say. God, man, why you messing up my camera, man?
Watch how they say, sorry, we don't have any more. We're not in
They
stock.
better have a week.
Just like the ice
It's
cream
online.
at McDonald's.
All this
The
stuff they
ice
do online.
The donut machine is broken. The gluten-free.
You gotta ask them. You got it online.
Hello, do you have meat cooking? They selling chicken at the drive.
You got to have it.
I want that. I think about it, baby. XO, baby. Here we go. I sent him chicken. I didn't.
They better have a whole week.
Y'all.
Donuts
If they don't have it,
for
we're not getting our
me.
donuts.
Or I'ma
so y'all
be
better have it.
mad cause I can't eat them other ones.
Why does my head look so fat in this camera?
I said I need the whole week. I said I need the whole week to make it sweet. They better have the whole week. Yeah, I say hello when I was in.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello, give us a second.
I didn't even say that the first
So
time.
rude. She said hello, give us a second. What's wrong with you?
Shut
What
up.
is wrong with you? We try to get our donuts and move on. Smile, go. No, smile right. I'm gonna do it. Oh my god. I'm trying to do something.
Thanks for the Krispy Kreme. How many dozens did we get in today? Do you have wheat donuts? Wheat donuts? Yeah.
Oh.
They get a box of regular glaze.
Let me get one box of the original glaze.
Dozen glaze, anything to drink?
No, that's it. Thank you.
But what?
Yeah, why you burping like that? They ain't got the wheat. Man, I told you I got the wheat. I got the donut, box of donuts for y'all. They ain't got the wheat donuts. I'm mad, man. I'm mad. They ain't got the wheat donuts. No, only thing you gonna get is a box of glaze. There ain't no
I'm mad because they didn't have my daily donut.
What daily donut you have?
Chocolate.
I didn't know. I thought you like glaze too. You don't like the glaze?
Hate it.
You hate the glaze?
Yes.
So you don't want it? Oh, we'll pull out the line if you don't want them.
No. I want them. Daddy, it looks like we're at the beach.
How much there?
We're going to the beach. Beach? What you gonna say? Say. We're going to the beach. Yeah. Y'all better subscribe, like this video, because he didn't get his wheat donuts. Maybe y'all can send some in our mailbox. Don't get them from the store, though. We don't take store items. Only if it's chocolate, then. I'll get it, y'all. I'll get it.
Yeah, that's what I should have went and got. A recipe and made some sugar free.
Oh, you know how to make donut, don't you?
Yeah, there ain't nothing to it. You got the recipe. The sugar free recipe.
No, we don't, ma'am. No, we don't.
Sugar free recipe.
No one likes sugar
Sugar-free
free.
recipe.
Sorry. No one likes sugar free.
Sing it. So I guess they only getting donuts because can't eat nothing but the wheat. I don't know why they advertise all this stuff online and then you get to the store they don't have it. Krispy Kreme, you got to do better, man. You got to do better.
You should do. You gotta do better.
All right. Lyric got on a hat. Stand, put your hat on.
Ew.
Just gonna park anywhere, huh?
I have dimples now.
Now we on our way to the car wash, yeah. Lyric got her Dunkin' Donut hat. There you go. Now y'all ready to go get a job. Krispy Kreme.
No, I'm not. You're never too young to do nothing. Or never too old to do nothing.
That boy work. See him walk?
Daddy can work, but I don't want him to work anymore. You see how long he's been working, cooking for us,
Yeah. Tell him.
and going to the job daily.
Tell
Daily.
That's right.
We didn't even get to see him.
That's right.
So, we have to let mommy work because... you know,
If that girl don't shut up.
Oh my God.
we gotta start
be a
seeing him.
stay-at-home mom again.
What? You couldn't? I would do the job. Well, Stark could do the job. She's making millions of videos and making millions of dollars. So she can pay for us. Anyways, I don't know how they're gonna give her the money, but... And no, I did not just come home from school. I like keeping all my school clothes.
Okay.
Today, I am going to be doing my thing. My mom gave me so much food, even though I can barely open my mouth because of. And maybe I'll show a video of it later in this video. But yeah, like it hurts so bad. And couldn't even eat lunch today at school. And that was my favorite meal. They finally had it, and I couldn't even eat it. It was a burrito. I could not even eat it. I wanted it so bad. I'm pretty sure they're not gonna get it anymore. I still have to wait for my mouth to get better. So they're like so mad, and this girl told me, the principal, so it was even madder. So yeah. But yeah, it's just the worst day ever. But I just want to share with you guys because I can't really eat food. So I'll get back with you when I think I'm finished.